this is the extra room that you can use either as an office or an exercise room or any study room. Then on the left here, you have the living room. As you can see, there's a lot of natural light. And here we have the dining room. Very spacious. A lot of natural light coming in. And right here you have the bathroom. Tile floors, updated. Then you have bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom with normal sized closet. Then here you have the eating kitchen. And then over here you will have room number 2 with the regular sized closet. And then if we go back out here, we will approach the enclosed balcony. That is not completely done yet, but will be. All right. Basically 2 minutes from this location, there is a T-stop. That's basically a 4-minute ride to Wellington Station if you need to take in and go to work in Boston. So there you have it.